America is the wealthiest country in the world and accounts for more than 25% of the world's wealth. In fact, America is home to 540 billionaires and over 10 million millionaires. Even with all this wealth, 69% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings, and 80% feel they are falling behind financially. Corporate wages are stagnant, and the government does not seem to have a solution. The bottom line is, most people need more cash flow and better financial strategies. myEcon, a debt-free, technology-driven company based in Atlanta, Georgia, began operations in 2005 and is leading a grassroots effort to restore financial equality in America. myEcon is a leader in the multi-billion-dollar personal financial education industry. The company has empowered thousands of people to increase their income, and some have become millionaires. Associates increase their income by marketing myEcon's powerful income-shifting membership and deeply discounted products and services. Great weekly commissions and ongoing monthly residual income on membership sales and ancillary services like travel, roadside service, and online cashback shopping. Associates also increase their cash flow by shifting or restructuring their income, utilizing the powerful financial strategies and software contained in the membership. The membership contains strategies and software that address the most important aspects of our personal finances: taxes, credit, debt, and investing. Associates use the first strategy, correct tax withholding, to quickly increase their take-home pay on their jobs. The IRS reports over 80% of employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. The IRS even suggests employees would be better off maximizing their take-home pay and using the extra cash flow for investing or debt elimination. Associates use video training and IRS software to correct their tax withholding, which maximizes their take-home pay. The strategy is amazing because employees typically increase their take-home pay by $200 to $500 monthly. Build better credit is our second strategy. Poor credit can cost people thousands of dollars in high interest payments, consumer perks, and even job opportunities. Associates use our smart credit system to repair, build, and maintain great credit. Great credit reduces borrowing costs and increases cash flow. myEcon's third strategy is minimize taxes. Because associates are also business owners, they have access to hundreds of tax deductions, which employees do not. Associates that work their business with the intent to earn a profit can qualify for deductions on expenditures for personal vehicles, cell phones, internet access, travel, and more. myEcon even provides associates with a mobile app that records expenses, captures receipts, and tracks mileage. In an eye-opening report, the Tax Reduction Institute states the average home-based business owner realizes thousands of dollars in tax deductions annually. Debt elimination. Our fourth strategy is life-changing. Associates use myEcon's debt elimination software and some of the additional cash flow acquired using the other strategies to eliminate unwanted debt. Imagine paying an extra $1,000 monthly to the principal of your debts and watching them vanish. The fifth strategy, investing, creates income and financial freedom. myEcon provides each associate with comprehensive investment education on terminology, concepts, and strategies. Associates use some of the cash flow acquired via income shifting and business building to strategically invest to generate passive income. The resulting cash flow provides financial peace of mind, financial freedom, and eventually retirement. myEcon's income-shifting membership and business income system are powerful and life-changing. Millions of people desire more financial success. To attain it, most people need more cash flow and better financial strategies. If you are one of those people, you are in the right place at the right time, because myEcon is the solution. When you enroll, you receive a personalized website, a world-class business system, our world-class income-shifting membership, plus world-class support and recognition. Enroll today and begin making and saving money immediately.